Children, how are you all? Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we have discussed about stems. Right, children? Have you recalled? Yes, we have studied about 5 different types of stems, and also we have discussed how the plants will support how the stems will support the plants. Right, children? Now, few questions are left. Let us discuss about that questions. See here, which plant have bark? What is the color of the bark? So this discuss in group. Today we are going to discuss these points. Okay, children? Let us see here. So which plants have bark? What is the color of the bark? So mainly trees have the bark. It is brown in color. See here, trees have the bark. It is brown in color. See the second question. Which plants have soft stems? Which one have the soft stems, children? Yes, herbs. Have you recalled it? Herbs have a soft stems. Herbs have the soft stem. Let us see some examples like spinach, coriander, mint, etc. Now, just you have to think about this question, children. Try to think about this question. Which plants have strong stems with thorns? Once again, let us see. Which plants have strong stems with thorns? Generally, strong stems we will see in the shrubs, right? So, they have the strong stems. And which is having thorns, children? Rose plant. So, rose plant have the thorns. Not only rose plant, bougainvillea, you know that? Yes, paper plant. So that plant, that is bougainvillea, also have a strong stem with thorns. Okay, children. Which plant have soft and tender stems? So tender means weak stems. See here, climbers have soft, weak and tender stems. Okay, children. So tell me a few of the climbers like grapevine, money plant, pea plants, all these are climbers. Yes, bitter gourd, all these are climbers. So, which plants have a thin and creeping stems? Generally, you know about creepers, right? So, creepers will be having thin and also they can creep along the ground. Now, see here, watermelon plant, pumpkin plants, etc. So we got clear idea about stems, right, children? So today we are going to study about leaves, right? So today we will discuss some interesting points about leaves. So what the leaves can do, what are its duties, how it is useful for the plant, all these things we are going to study. So please listen carefully, try to understand the technical terms. So these are new terms. You have to learn it. Okay, children? Let us see. You know that apart from roots and stems, a plant has leaves. Right, children? So these are the parts of the plants. So you know about very well about leaves. And they also have flowers and also fruits. Do all leaves have same shape, color and size? Children, all the leaves are having same shape, color and size? Class you have studied about leaves, right, children? Friendly leaves. Have you noticed any difference in the shape of the leaves? Yes, there are different. They are not same to all the plants. So leaves are different in different plants. Colors. If you see the crotons, not all the leaves are green in color. Few crotons will have different colors like purple or like white, yellow. So different colors, right? And sizes. So all the leaves are having same size? No. There is different in mango leaves. And if you see banana leaves, they are very big. Coconut, it is very big. So, so leaves size also varies from plant to plant. This you should know, right children? Yes. So what we have learned today? Leaves have different shapes, color and sizes, right? Let us learn briefly about leaves. A small activity is there, visit your surroundings. So today children, after listening to the class, just go out and just collect some leaves, at least some 4 to 5 types of plants, okay? Pictures and observe whether all leaves are similar and tell the difference. Okay, you discuss the difference with your elders or with your parents. Right, children? Will you do this activity today? Yes, do it, children. It will be very interesting. Right? Now let us see about leaves. Leaves are green in color. Have you seen the leaves, children? Most of the leaves are in which color? Green color. Very good. So, due to presence of some substance called chlorophyll. So, underline this chlorophyll word, children. This is a technical term you should know. Why the leaves are green in color? Why, children? Because due to the presence of a substance. So, inside the leaf, there is a substance. So that substance we will call it as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Okay, which gives green color to the leaves. It is very, very important, children. Okay, once again, let us see. Leaves are green in color due to the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. Yes. Do you know, children, why our blood is red in color? So, why red is red in color? Because of a pigment. Because of a pigment. We will call it as hemoglobin, right? Because of hemoglobin, our blood is red in color. In the same way, the leaves are green in color due to chlorophyll. Okay, children, due to chlorophyll. Now, food is prepared in the leaves of the plant. So, for human beings, we can prepare the food in the kitchen, right? By taking from plants or animals, we will cook our food in the kitchens. Then, what about the plants? Where is the kitchen for them? Yes, so leaves are the kitchen for the plants. Did you understand, children? Leaves are just like a kitchen where leaves can prepare the food to the plants. This is a very new concept, right, children? Yes, then how the plants will grow, children? How the plants are growing? Who is feeding food to them? Yes, they are leaves. So food is prepared in the leaves of the plant. So now tell me where the food is prepared for the plants? In the very good leaves. Now the plants which have more leaves prepare more food. Yes, children. So if there are more leaves, they can prepare more food. That's why don't pluck the leaves, right, children? Unnecessarily don't touch the leaves because they can prepare food. If you destroy the leaves, how they'll get the food? So don't do that. Okay? Hence, we should not pluck the leaves. A plant does not grow well if you pluck its leaves. Yes, children, if you pluck its leaves, the plant cannot grow well. But older leaves which are dried, you can remove so that new leaves can grow. Yes, that you should know. Okay, till now we have studied that Leaves consist of a green color pigment, that is green color substance. We will call it as chlorophyll. First point. What you have learned now? Leaves are green in color due to the pigment called, pigment is nothing but it's a substance, coloring substance. So we will call it as chlorophyll. What we'll call? Just repeat along with me. Chlorophyll. Very good. Now, second thing we have learned that, so food is prepared in the leaves. Food is prepared in the leaves. So which part of the plant prepares the food? Good. It is the leaves. Yes. So 2 points you have studied now, and one more main point you are going to study now. See here. Sun gives us light energy. Sun gives us light energy. So through the sun we'll get light, right children? Light. So light is a form of energy. We will call it as light energy. So sun gives us light energy. This energy is absorbed by the leaves to prepare food. So this energy is absorbed by the leaves. How the leaves will absorb, I will show in the pictures. Just you have to learn now. Okay. So leaves absorb light energy to prepare the food. So what are the ingredients here? Light. First thing is a light. Now this is stored in seeds, fruits, tubers, etc. So all this light energy is stored in all these parts. Now the animals and human beings get energy. How we are getting energy? By taking the food produced by the plants. Yes. Through the plants only we are getting all fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, everything, right? So if we eat all those food, then we are also getting the energy. So what is the primary source for human beings, children, and also for other animals? Yes, plants and also sunlight, because plants absorb sunlight and they can prepare the food. That food is taken by the human beings and other animals. So sun is the source of energy. So what should we do to use this energy? So how we are taking this energy, children? In the form of yes, fruits and seeds and also some vegetables which are produced by the plants. We are taking the energy. Let us see briefly about how the plants make their own food. See here. Plants make their own food. Yes, see this green plant? Yes, let us see how the food is prepared. So first main ingredient is sunlight. See here, sun? Yes, that will be trapped or absorbed by these leaves. So how this only the leaves will take the light energy? How children? Yes, because they have a pigment. Why this is green in color? Because of chlorophyll pigment. So because of this pigment, this that is light energy is absorbed by these leaves. Why they have the capacity? Because of chlorophyll. Yes, they can absorb, they can trap. And what they will do? Not only sunlight, they also take carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere. So we will release carbon dioxide, right children, while we are breathing? Yes, that also will be utilized by these plants, that is leaves. Again, water. See, yes, the roots will absorb this water and nutrients. Slowly it will send to the stems towards the leaves. So here how many ingredients you have seen? Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. This water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, all these things will be absorbed. They will be sent to the leaves. Now here the food is prepared. Slowly that food will send to the stems, other leaves and also towards the flower. And if they have fruits, they can also stored in the form of fruits. So this is how leaf is very, very important. Let us see somewhat briefly. This process we will call it as photosynthesis. Preparing the food. Preparing the food in the leaves. This process, whole process, we will call it as photosynthesis. Do you know about photo, children? Photo means? Yes, light. So photo means light. This light energy is absorbed here in the leaves. Okay. And also carbon dioxide is also taken, that is absorbed, and also water. This is how slowly the leaves will release what, children? Oxygen. Why we are growing plants, children? Only for food? Only for food? No. Only for shade? No. One more important reason? Yes. That is, they will fresh the air. That is, they will reduce the air pollution by releasing more oxygen into the air and also by observing this carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide is not good for us to breathe. So whatever we are releasing this carbon dioxide and also pollution which is present in the air, that carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the plants. See here how they are absorbing. Did you understand the point? Yes, they will absorb and slowly after the preparation of the food, slowly oxygen is released out. See, carbon dioxide taken inside and see like how we will respirate, right children? How we will breathe. We will take oxygen and we will release carbon dioxide. But here plants, they take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This is also a breathing process. Can you see how the breathing process is happening in plants? Yes, only human beings and animals can breathe. No, but plants also can breathe. So here they take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This is the important thing. Okay. Slowly sugars, that is carbohydrates, all that you will study in your higher classes. The plant will, yes, produce the food in the form of sugars like starch or carbon, not that is carbohydrates. Yes, children. So all these brief things you will study in your higher classes, but now you have to know that how the plants will prepare the food through the leaves. Simple thing, through the leaves. Understood? See here, photosynthesis, we will call it as photo plus synthesis. That is, photo means light, synthesis means all together production will be happen. Okay? Yes. So see this chlorophyll. See why these leaves are green in color? Due to the presence of pigment, that is a substance called as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. It is a green color substance. That's why leaves are green in color. See children, if chlorophyll is present in human beings, we will also look like green in color, right? But chlorophyll is not present in our body. So our blood consists of hemoglobin. So our blood is red in color. But in these plants, they are green in color because of chlorophyll. Did you understand today's concept, children? About chlorophyll? Why plants are green in color? Yes, because leaves are green in color because of chlorophyll. Hope everyone understood about chlorophyll. This is a new term. Just remember. Okay? Yes, see here chlorophyll. This is a chlorophyll which is green in color, which is present in tender soft stems. Stems also sometimes appear green in color. Okay, there also you can see some chlorophyll, and most of the part that is in the leaf we will see this chlorophyll. Now once again let us recall what we have studied today. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis some production. Okay, is the process used by the plants to make their food. Yes, to make their food. See, roots absorb water from the soil, not only water, but also minerals. See how the roots will absorb? This is the function of the roots. Now, we have nose, children, right? To take breathing. Then, how these plants will breathe, children? See, this is a leaf. If you see through microscope, you will see some small holes. This is a small hole where carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen is released. See children, this is additional information you will study in your higher classes, but you should know how we have nose in the same way. Plants also have some small holes pores, like small holes that we will call as stomata, where the exchange of gases, that is carbon dioxide is taken inside and oxygen is released out. Understood? Don't get confused. Just simple things you should know. Yes, see here how the plant can absorb the water and minerals. Can you see this? Yes, children. By this slowly it will reach to the leaves. Now see this tomato. This is nothing but how we are having nose. Same way these leaves also having some pores. We will call it as stomata. So in your higher classes you will study briefly about this tomato. It is very interesting, children. Just you have to know. Yes, this is a chlorophyll pigment which is green in color. That is why leaves are green in color. So what are the essential factors for preparing the food? First thing, main energy, sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. Okay, and nutrients also. Okay, children, now understood how the plants will prepare the food? Yes, now see here. Yes, the process by which leaves make their own food. The process by which the leaves make their own food is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to put together, or to, it is a process of preparation, right? Yes, production. Now, green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll present in the leaves. So today we have learned very interesting and new term, that is chlorophyll and photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means preparing, the process by which leaves prepare their own food. You know that leaves will prepare own food, right? That process we will call it as photosynthesis. Right, very good. Chlorophyll. Now, these are the ingredients: sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. So, all these are used. Now, which is released outside, oxygen is given out in this process. See this? Yes. Did you understand? See sunlight, here chlorophyll pigment, slowly water and carbon dioxide. This is how the leaves will prepare its own food. That's why we are getting fruits and vegetables. All this food will be stored in fruits, roots, and also some stems. So by this we are getting different kinds of foods. Right, children? All these you will study in your higher classes. It will be very interesting. So because all you will be studying about nature, how the nature is giving us fruits and vegetables. Right, children? Yes. See the different shapes of leaves. See the shapes. So all the leaves are in same color? Same color and same shape? No, different sizes, different shapes. See these flowers. Yes. How we are having blood vessels, same way they will be also having some veins that will called as main veins. See how, yes, this is how the leaf is designed. Understood, children? This is about types of stem, the leaves, and also the functions of the leaves. See the function, main functions, the oxygen and carbon dioxide. See, carbon dioxide is sent outside and carbon dioxide is taken inside and oxygen is sent outside. So which is very, very useful for the life. Oxygen is very, very useful for the life, right? Yes. See how the water will move because of this leaves. Yes. Now see this sunlight, how the photosynthesis occur. This is how all happens. Right, children? Yes. See the different shapes of the leaves. These are the different shapes and many other leaves also there. You can study it well. Okay, children? Did you understood? Everyone understood about this topic? I hope everyone understood this topic. So till then, take care, children. Have a good day.